Hey guys, NASP especially, we got ourselves those sunglasses and they came in. So we're gonna unbox them, take a look at them, and hopefully they're actually worth it. I actually got two pairs. One is a blue cover, and then I think the other one's like a multicolor. Won't know until you open it though. So this finally came in today. Gotta be careful with these. I'm actually really eager to try them out today. I might take them to work, maybe like the drive there. I'm just really curious on what they look like. So without further ado, we have the OhO Sunsign glasses, number 2. And we also have the second pair, which is, I think this is the black one. New. So let's take a look. I want to open up this one first. I think this is the blue one, so let's get to it. So these are smart glasses. I've actually heard that you have to have like an AI assistant to help activate it or something, like it's similar to AI, related. So that's kind of nice. So it has its own little these sunglasses come with its own little adapter. That's cool. You can plug into the computer, transfer the files over. Got a little USB charger. We have a cloth, a nice cloth to take care of the glasses with, and its own case too. I forgot to even mention that. It comes with its own OhO Sunsign case, and of course the little instruction manual. Ooh, look at that! I think it needs charging or something. It's like blinking red. Hey, that looks cool, right? Just trying to figure things out here. Oh, standby mode. It's blinking red. Oh, is that recording? It's blinking red right now. I can't tell if that's actually recording or not. If it is, hello. Oh no, until I plug it in. Nah, I think that's on standby mode now. So does that mean I was recording the whole time I was here? Because it was blinking when I opened it. Maybe I accidentally hit it. Camera indicator, charging indicator, okay. Photo indicator is when it's blue, but it's red. Power/record button is it's 5. 5. Huh. It's actually kind of sick though. Number 8. What is number 8? 8 charging indicator. Okay, so 8 is charging, so 8 is on this side. So like I said, I had two pairs. That one was the blue one, which we'll record with that soon. And now we got the black one, or the multi. Okay, so this is the second box. Should work the same. A little bit bulkier. Again, charging cable, little cloth, another instruction manual. Okay, so yes, these come with the multi-colored lenses, so that's cool. Probably leave them in there for now. Comes with its own little PC adapter. By my understanding, it's a little bit differently. Actually, technically, this will work pretty good. I mean, outside, but it can work inside. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright, so it is on. Tap 1 second for on. Ooh, it's vibrating. Indicating that it's in standby mode. Ooh. It is recording. Does it keep vibrating every time I record, or? No, it's recording right now. Or maybe the battery just died. Can't tell. Looks like the light turned off. Hey guys, so I'm currently at Horseheads. We're gonna go walking around. We're gonna go through, I don't know, say 2 different stores. We're gonna be doing the Sportsman Warehouse for the first one, and then Tops for the last one. And let's just see what people think. Hey guys, so we just got back from walking around and stuff and driving here. I'm not quite too sure on actually how much footage I was able to capture, but I'll let you know once I get home and start editing. Hey guys, we're back, transferring over the files to the computer right now. It's charging as well. Anyways, it behaves a bit differently than I thought. I think I actually ran out of battery juice. It's supposed to say it has 32 gigabytes of storage. I'm currently at like 5 gigabytes, but I'm transferring everything over to, show you this video. But it can probably record up to like, a whole weekend's worth of fun. If like, say I went to like Ocean City or something to spend like a weekend there, it'll probably record every minute of it until it's out of 32 gigabytes. Anyways, it doesn't upload into like full-on chunks, like 50-minute chunks, 40-minute chunks. It doesn't do that. It does 10-minute chunks at a time. So it records 10 minutes, saves it quickly, and then starts recording where it left off. So it goes 10, 10, 10. It's probably a little inconsistent because I stopped recording multiple times, but I've seen a couple of the videos. It just stops right at the 10-minute mark on the dot. So apparently it's recording the chunks. But that shouldn't prevent me from, uploading the video and editing it. So, hopefully you enjoyed my video. And, yeah, let's get it out there. Alright guys, the video has been updated. Here is today's footage from my glasses. Hopefully you enjoy. Alright, so I am cleaning up right now. This will be a little vlog for you guys. That's garbage. Put that back on charge. I'm gonna bring, so like I said earlier, it came with 2 different glasses. I got the blue one on now, and this is the black one, but for some odd reason it can only go for about 6 seconds. It's probably because it needs charging, or there's something that's there. It is 12:18 now, so I got a bit. Keys. I start at 1, but I want to get there in time. What? Well, yeah, I'll make a good impression. It's just, I got glasses now, so it's going to help me see a lot better when driving. Oh, you guys better clean up. What? It's OhO brand. Oh, OhO Sunsign. That's the brand. I don't know. It's a little pricey, though, but they definitely help. Hey buddy, you're good now. we're gonna try them out. And at least show you how I get to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna have to hit the highway. Start at 1 o'clock, it's 12:25 now. I don't have a lunch with me, but it's my first day. I gotta get at least 4 hours of video done. Not drive, stupid. Reverse. I can see quite fine with these glasses actually. These glasses are alright. You know what the cool thing about these glasses is that I can go into, I don't know, I can walk into a store, people won't even care. They think it's normal sunglasses. Yeah, this is gonna be the real test. How much of footage can I get straight through before it stops recording? Yeah, I got my wallet with me, so okay. Country driving. Just go around. Gotta get this car back down to the shop again. So there is a light on the inside of the glasses. I can see if I actually look kind of at an angle of my eye. It's blinking right now. It's still recording. If it shuts off or turns off, then I'll record what I can, and then if it stops recording, I just want to know how much of recording can I get in before it quits. July 22nd, guys. Man, beautiful day. I'm like taking off my glasses to look at the road versus looking at it with my glasses. Dude, truthfully, I still prefer looking at the road with my own eyes, but the glasses definitely help with clarity and glare. If I'm correct, it'll actually record up to maybe an hour or 2 hours of recording, but I won't actually know until it actually stops recording. Like I said, I got another pair of glasses, but for some reason it only charges up to 6 seconds. Either it's because the battery's pretty much dead, needs charging, or something with the settings gotta figure out. Hobby Lobby is east. Gotta head east. See, a lot of people have glasses on, so they look at me thinking, oh yeah, just another guy with glasses, but little do they know. Oh, nice, green arrow. Alright, so the highway time. That looks pretty clear. Ooh, this guy's flying. I'm not gonna... Alright, I'm gonna open windows on this side. Going merging on. Can't use. Going about 50 now. I always hate highway driving. But ever since I went down to New Jersey on that, what was it, 27-lane highway bridge, I think I got over the fear of highway driving. Driving is kind of stupid. You can't be, you're never too fast for people. Going just about 75 right now, and there's people passing by like at 80. You guys want to ride along with me on my adventures? Places to see, things to do? Yeah. Should have wore these glasses with me to Ocean City. Alright, so our exit's exit 51. That goes to the airport. Oh, this one here. The next one is the one that goes to Hobby Lobby. Like I said, we're heading east. It's about 10 miles away. Ambulance. There's a lot of cars that merge on right there. You don't see them in the last second. Just the way the hill is. This is our stop. I want to take the right exit. The last time actually wouldn't. I want to stay on the right. Be much easier. Last time I actually took the second right exit here, and I had to merge. So let's take the farthest one on the right here. No turn on red. Yeah, I'm not planning on it. Stay straight. Let's see what goes on. Yeah, stay great. Nice. That's a plus. Hobby Lobby is right over there. There's Hobby Lobby. Guess I can't do anything with the recording glass until I get home and turn the car off. Let's get to one, but take a walk around and see if anybody actually, you know. Alright, good. I had problems with the keys last time where I locked it and it wouldn't want to unlock. So this one looks like I have my phone with me, I got my keys with me, all good. Let's take a walk. Good morning. Oh, we got Sportsman Warehouse. Could do that. I got some pretty cool things in here. Plus, like I said, I don't need a 46 now. I'll walk around for a bit. I don't think there's an upstairs in this place. Mugs. Have a good day. Thank you. Kind of fun. In about 10 minutes, I might just stop recording now and then pick up recording when I get back. If this thing's fully charged, then we got a whole day planned here. It's insane. That guy did not acknowledge me, but he didn't know I was recording. This is if I format this to 4K, which won't be a problem. Format this to 4K, this won't be a problem. It'll be one amazing vlog. Just have to keep track of it. Alright, I'll pick up recording after I'm done with my shift. See you guys later. Okay, so we are back. It is recording too. It's nice. Been about, I don't know, about 5 hours, but I got. Look at that. My goodness. Size small. Look at that. Oh wow. This is big. Alrighty then. So I was in there for about 5 hours. I thought it would be getting pretty dark now. The time is it's pretty much 6 o'clock right now. So again, clear as always. I'm gonna make a quick stop to Tops or something to use the restroom. Although they do have a restroom here at Hobby Lobby. Just use Tops, it'll be much easier. There's really nothing that I need at got a morning shift tomorrow, 8 to 2. Place is big. Oh, it's a little doggy. Hello, buddy. There's a helicopter over there. Don't think you can really zoom in with these glasses, but yeah, there's a helicopter right over there. Wow, Tops is pretty much dead. I just gotta go in to use the restroom, so. So technically I got about 40 minutes of footage. I was able to edit it. We got about 28 minutes, probably just a bit, 21 minutes, because 7 minutes of it is the unboxing video. So about 21 minutes. Anyways, that was my day into a brief little 20-minute video for you. And I can't wait to do that again tomorrow. So when I go on like big trips or something, I just need to bring an extra battery pack or something to charge it. Charging it shouldn't take long, maybe a couple hours or so. I need to check it now because it's probably about an hour, so it's probably about charged. But it's about, let's say, not quite to maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours of battery of a battery life. Storage wise, I only used about 5 gigabytes, and about 4 of those videos were in the baggie. It was 10 minutes, so 10 4-minute videos. Wait, no, my bad, 4 10-minute videos. But otherwise, if that was roughly 5 gigabytes, imagine what 32 gigabytes worth of video is. That's gonna be one big vlog. See you guys in the next one.